Hi, Matt Byer Organizing.
And I'm Kim Malera at Matt Byer Organizing.
And we're talking Playroom Organizing Systems. We organize a lot of playrooms, so Kim has graciously invited me to her kids' playroom, and we're going to look at organizing systems, starting with this centerpiece right here.
Yes, it holds a lot of toys, and the items are easy to find.
And it's from IKEA?
Yes, it's the Calyx shelf unit and comes in lots of different sizes and colors.
Terrific. So I always like systems that take advantage of vertical space, keep toys off surfaces and floors. And I love the solution because it offers a lot of display area here.
There's a lot of Lego projects going on around here, so this allows them to stay put together and for my girls to enjoy them for a bit longer.
Dedicated zones for display are something that we find consistently lacking in playrooms. If display items have nowhere to go, they'll just end up mixed in with the toys, making it hard to stay organized.
Okay, switching gears a bit, we're looking at the table in the middle of the room. This is mostly used for arts and crafts.
Yep, arts and crafts, slime making, coloring.
So I'm always saying your number one organizing tool is a clear work surface dedicated to processing.
And yes, that includes slime making. Kim's keeping this table pretty clear between activities, and that's the key. You don't want to squander this precious space on storage.
And here's another dedicated zone for display.
This allows the artwork to hang on the wall and get it off the table.
For just the cost of a few clothespins and string.
That's it.
Love it. Another storage system we recommend a lot are the Badger baskets.
Super easy access, and you have the flexibility of going vertical or spreading out if you have more floor than height.
Yeah, a lot of my friends use them.
Now for those really small items like Legos and doll accessories.
These transparent shallow drawers are a great solution. And for craft supplies, you can get them on wheels to roll them from wall to table.
These are super convenient and very cool.
And for plush toys, you've just got a simple basket.
Yeah, we don't have a lot of those.
But for playrooms that do have a lot, one product we like is this toy storage hammock to get them off the floor.
Finally, for the large toys, it doesn't make sense to look for containers, but try to shoot for appropriate resting zones.
For example, big plush toys can sit on top of these generous Badger basket surfaces, and large toy vehicles can have their own parking garage.
Next week, we'll take a look at how to get your playroom organized. For more easy organizing tips, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you around. And here's another dedicated zone. Whoa!
You can just leave that stuff on the floor. It's fine.
Save that for the blooper reel.